Revenue Minister Krishna Byre Gowda on Friday informed the Legislative Council that 44,208 farmers across the state had not received compensation for rain and flood-related crop loss owing to technical mismatches in official records. Responding to a question raised by MLC Thippannappa Kamakanur, who highlighted that several flood-affected farmers in Kalaburagi district were yet to receive compensation, the minister said around 3% of eligible farmers had been excluded due to discrepancies between the names recorded in their Aadhaar cards and those in the Agriculture Department's records. The names in Aadhaar did not match with the names in the agriculture database, resulting in non-payment of compensation. Gowda said, adding that steps were being taken to address the issue. He said Kalaburagi district alone had reported crop loss over 3.23 lakh hectares, for which 250.97 crore rupees had been disbursed in accordance with State Disaster Response Fund norms. Statewide, he said, floods had affected 14.21 lakh farmers.